Ever pondered how to traverse the globe without depleting your bank account? The thought has undoubtedly occurred to many, and for a few lucky ones, it has turned into a reality. With the right tools and knowledge, globetrotting without emptying your savings is achievable. This video aims to enlighten and equip you with these necessary tools known as economical tips and strategies. Through understanding and applying these, anyone can transform the unattainable into the achievable. Our goal is to help you navigate the world of budget travel effectively, unlocking doors to experiences you might have thought impossible. This video is all about making that dream a reality for you too, by sharing practical tips and strategies for budget travel. One of the most significant expenses of any trip is often the flight. The costs can be daunting, yet there's a strategy to make them manageable, maximizing travel rewards. Many airlines have enticing reward programs. These schemes, offered freely, are designed to encourage customer loyalty. When you sign up, everything from buying tickets to purchasing in-flight meals starts accumulating points for you. Over time, these collected points can be redeemed. The rewards, free flights, or upgrades. Imagine having the luxury to fly at a fraction of the cost, or even better, for free. You might find yourself boarding your next flight for a fraction of the cost, or even for free. Now let's talk about accommodations. In an era where travel has become more accessible than ever, the choices for places to stay have also broadened significantly. Hotels with their pristine lobbies and comfortable beds often come with a hefty price tag attached. They're certainly appealing with their room service and plush bathrobes, but the cost can eat into your travel budget. Instead, consider more affordable options like hostels or home-sharing platforms. These alternatives are not only lighter on the wallet, but also provide a unique opportunity to interact with fellow travelers and local inhabitants. They can offer not only a cheaper place to rest your head, but also a chance to meet other travelers and locals. Transportation can also eat into your travel budget. It's an essential aspect of traveling that often gets overlooked when planning a trip. People tend to focus on the cost of accommodation and meals, forgetting to account for the cost of getting around. The options are numerous: taxis, rental cars, or even bicycles. However, these can be rather expensive and not necessarily the most convenient. There's an alternative that might not immediately spring to mind: using public transportation. This approach is not only financially savvy, but also environmentally friendly. Public transportation systems are widespread and reliable, often providing a unique cultural experience. You get to observe local life up close, mingle with residents, and soak in the city's vibe. It's not only cheaper, but can also provide a more authentic experience of your destination. Food is another area where you can save. This is a concept that many travelers overlook, often gravitating towards the familiar of posh restaurants. However, this might not always be the most budget-friendly option. Consider this: the local cuisine, which is typically much cheaper than fine dining establishments. Street food can be delicious, flavorful, and surprisingly affordable. In addition to this, cooking your own meals is another viable option. If your accommodation provides a kitchen, utilize it. Buy local produce and experiment with regional recipes. Not only will this tactic save you a considerable amount of money, but it also allows for a unique cultural immersion. It's a great way to save money and immerse yourself in the local culture. But what if you could fund your travels while traveling? Sounds enticing, doesn't it? The world is full of possibilities for those bitten by the travel bug. You could teach English, dive into the maritime world on a cruise, serve in the sky as a flight attendant, or contribute to society by joining a nonprofit. Launching a travel blog, working as au pair, or guiding tourists as a tour guide are other possibilities. These options not only cover your expenses, but you could even earn a salary while exploring new places. So, to summarize, the world is your oyster. Maximize travel rewards to save on flights. Consider hostels, home-sharing platforms for accommodations. Use public transport and enjoy local cuisine for more savings. Earn while traveling, if you're game. Budget travel requires planning, but rewards you with rich experiences. Start planning, start saving, and soon enough you'll be gearing up for your next adventure. Bon voyage!